Welcome to day 1 of the Biology Domination Crash Course. Today, we are targeting the living world. Students think this chapter is a walk in the park, but NTA loves trapping overconfident aspirants with tricky sequence questions and binomial nomenclature rules. We are going to cover the absolute high-yield topics, expose the deleted syllabus you shouldn't waste time on, and solve 5 PYQs. Let's secure these 4 marks. First, a massive update for NEET 2026. Stop studying taxonomical aids. Herbaria, botanical gardens, museums, and keys are deleted from the rationalized NCERT. Do not waste a single minute on them. Your entire focus should be on binomial nomenclature and the taxonomic categories. Let's lock in binomial nomenclature. NTA tests these rules constantly. The names are Latin in origin, but written in italics to show their origin. The genus starts with a capital letter, species with a small letter. And the ultimate trap? If handwritten, both words must be underlined separately, not together. Next, the taxonomic hierarchy. You need to know the ascending and descending order flawlessly. Just remember this trick. Keep pots clean or family gets sick. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Remember, as we go higher from species to kingdom, the number of common characteristics strictly decreases. Time for the NCERT X-ray. Look at the classification table for mango and wheat. NTA tests your suffix knowledge. In plants, the order usually ends in ales, like sapindales for mango. The family ends in ACE, like Anacardiaceae. Spotting the suffix will instantly solve match the following questions. Let's test your active recall with PYQs. Question 1. Select the correct scientific name of mango described by Linnaeus. 3, 2, 1. The answer is C. The author's name appears after the specific epithet in an abbreviated form, not italicized. Question 2. Which of the following belongs to the family Muscidae? 3, 2, 1. The answer is D, the housefly. Its scientific name is Musca domestica. Rapid fire for PYQ 3 and 4. Which taxonomic category has the highest number of common characters? 3, 2, 1. The lowest one, species. And what is the order for wheat? 3, 2, 1. Look for the suffix, it's poles. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. We are crushing the syllabus one day at a time. Tomorrow, day 2, we tackle biological classification and its endless examples. Subscribe, check the link in the description for notes, and let's dominate NEET 2026.